up? Welcome back to another video. So, actually, scratch that intro. Let's just recreate my third most popular video. It was a year and however many months of quarantine ago. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Kenzie's Creations. I'm here with my piggies. Can I have a kiss? Yep. Anyways, today is actually not about the piggies, as you can tell by the title. It's about how you can sneak slime into your classroom. I have a trouble with keeping slime in my class, but it's like my greatest stress reliever. Like, my second hour teacher, my favorite one, she actually got moved up from 6th grade. She is legit my favorite teacher I've ever had. She lets me play with slime. I don't know if they want their name said, but let's call him Mr. C. Does not like slime. Mr. H, not like slime. I can't even attempt to bring slime into band. Oh, look at this. Kenzie's Creations merch? Oh yeah, but it's a sweatshirt. It's a sweatshirt. And look at this. It's got Kenzie's Creations on the hood.
Don't die.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't model it like that.
Oh my gosh. Also, it is so soft on the inside.
Here, feel. Come feel.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Here, you guys feel. It's so soft.
But you guys won't know what it feels like until you get one of your own. It is so worth it.
It will be showing up soon, so I would usually say in a couple weeks, but I don't want to tell you guys anything specific.
We don't know yet.
But it is coming soon.
So, yeah. Yeah, they're
That's
coming
about
soon.
all that I know right now.
But they're so nice.
Anyways, I have a few different ways for you to sneak slime into your classroom.
It is almost class time, which means students are going to be going into my classroom and working on schoolwork. So I need to make sure they're on their best behavior. Let's go.
Hey guys, so, hey, you creep, get out of my windows. Go on, I'm at home, go away. Anyways, what way should we do first? Well, most of you that will try to sneak slime in, I feel like would have a pencil box with you. So, take out all of your pencils, clearly a pencil. And now, oh my gosh, why is it so dirty? So let's do, make sure that you have like an actual plastic one, not like one that slime would stick to. An orange slime, since this is purple and this is blue, I want like an orange slime. So let me find the orange. Squish. Completely buttery, but mostly.
If you guys want to enter the giveaway, make sure you comment down below.
Hashtag giveaway. Watch my giveaway video to make sure you know which slime you want, and then comment down below the slime that you would want if you were to win.
Also, you guys, she's been trying to do this giveaway for weeks, and no one's been commenting. So if you want a free slime, subscribe, bell notifications, like this video,
and then comment down below hashtag giveaway squad and the slime that you want if you win.
Also, if you haven't seen it yet, watch Slime Time. If you have seen it yet, watch Slime Time.
I don't know. I also said that we could have a giveaway if we got Jocelyn to 50 subscribers from 13 by the end of this year. You guys have about 2.5 months.
And I'm only at 19 subscribers, you guys.
She's only gained 6, and I announced this when I drop my merch.
And I will buy way bigger stuff than just slime, you guys. So
yeah, we've got a 24-ounce slime. I'll show you what you'll win. You would win a gallon of glue. Well, you have to vote on what the
prize would be. You're not going to get to choose. I mean, whatever gets the most votes is what I will be giving away, but you could win. This is one of the options.
But hers is a little emptier.
Yeah, this one is mine, but I would get you a brand new one. You could win a gallon of glue, a free Kenzie's Creations t-shirt. This is a sweatshirt. T-shirt. Or what was the other option? I think it was other, and then you can comment down below, but there's another option.
It was, I would get, like, a bigger, like, squishy or, like, a bigger stuffed animal or something big.
Yeah, something like that. Go check the poll in the community tab, and, yeah. Anyways, back to the video. Plop that bad boy in there, and now it's ready to sneak into your classroom. On to the next one. So the next technique that we are going to do is paint. So if you have art or like you're doing a paint project, this is how you can sneak your slime into class. Clean out your paint. I'm sorry, this is cringe. I got this for $1. And all of my paint is gone, so I cleaned it for as much as I could. Not very good at it. And you're just going to take off all of your caps, set them aside, and you're going to whip up some slimes of the colors that you have. So I have red, yellow, green, blue, white, and black. So, yeah, make sure that you leave like a tiny little bit of like paint, but so that it's actually, they think that it's actually paint. Okay, you guys, so here is my little palette. Not palette, but when I bought this, it was actually a lot more pink than it was red, so I made this kind of pink. The yellow is like on point. The blue is a little light. The green's definitely lighter. The white, obviously, and then the black, obviously. Both good. This is actually just green on the side, but I don't know. Anyways, that is your second way to sneak slime into class. I have 2 more ways to show you, so let's go. The next way is like a little eraser container that you might have for erasers. Don't put them in your pencil box because that's not where they go. They go in a little eraser container. They have a second way to sneak slime into your classroom. Yeah, I'm gonna make some more of this one. I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna make it green. Okay, so now you're gonna stick it in your little container.
Also, wait.
Don't be suspicious.
I would also recommend filling it a little more because...
Third way, done.
I would also recommend filling it a little bit more than she did because if not, it'll dry out quicker.
Yeah, but... Okay, anyways. The fourth way that we have is by sneaking it in. With a necklace. I actually got these in a kit one time, and the slimes did not turn out. So I'm just going to take them out. Holy crap.
It's rock hard.
So just set my stuff down, and I'll take this seat on the first. What is that? A Kenzie's Creations face mask? Oh yeah, because you gotta wear your face masks in school, kids. It sucks, but do it. Otherwise you'll get written up and expelled. And then you'll have to do online school. Oh. Anyways, these will also be coming around probably the same time as probably around the same time as the sweatshirts. Again, I can't give out too much information, but look for these. Anyways, back to the video.
Alright, class. Let me make sure you're not seeing candy or anything. I don't see anything. Alright. Well, let's get started with school today. Period.
Here it is.
This is math. I need you to do 4 math assignments. I'll go get your papers.
Okay, I'm gonna get an eraser for my pencil now.
Here's your first paper.
Okay, here, I'll get my pencil. There you go. All done.
It looks acceptable.
Is it art class now?
Almost. I have one more assignment for you. Instead of an assignment, I need you to show me the awesome new merch.
Oh, you mean this merch?
Yeah. I only have a shirt.
Well, all I can tell you is that this merch will be out soon.
Wow. Are the sweatshirts comfortable?
Yes, they're actually very, very soft, and if it wasn't Corona time, I would tell you to feel it.
Okay. Well, I'll have to get my own when those come out. Now, art time.
Art time? Yay! I'm sorry, my little bracelet. We're gonna have to go. Art time! I've got my paint.
Let me go get your paper. Here's a giant sketchbook. I need you to draw me or paint me a house.
A house. Coming up.
Yes.
Can we finger paint?
Yes.
Okay. This is easy. Okay. Can it be colorful?
Yes. I'm watching you.
Let me get some of my...
Your
Oh,
paint is really gloopy.
yeah. I got a special, really thick kind of paint.
Can I feel it?
Oh, this is my paint, remember?
Aww.
Gotta...
That paint's cool. Where did you get it?
I got it by watching Kenzie's Creations.
That's awesome. I need to do that a lot more. You know what? I can't sit here and watch you guys. I'm going to go to my break. When I come back, I expect your houses to be done. Hello. Are you almost done?
I'm almost done. I just gotta add my door.
All right. What is that? Did you make these?
Yeah, those are my super cool charm things from Kenzie's Creations.
What's inside?
What do you mean?
What's inside?
It's a really cool gel.
Oh,
Because
that's awesome. Why is it glittering?
that one's a glitter gel.
Are these hair gels?
They might be. I'm not sure. But if you enter a giveaway, you can win some slime.
Slime is not related with this conversation. Unless it is.
Okay, sir, is it recess time?
Yes. Go ahead. You can go outside or you can just take a break in your seat.
Okay.
It is also my break. Actually, I'll take my break right there. I can see you through the class window.
Okay. There you go, teacher. That's how cool my paint is.
Wow! I love it!
Same.
Would you like this cup of coffee?
No, you can have it.
The coffee's delicious.
It's okay.
I'm getting you a reward for being so kind. My reward is You can play with slime during this recess.
Yay!
Ha! You had slime with you.
I just got this because I knew you were going to see that.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, keep playing. You can now have slime for every day of the week. But not next week. Only this week. Well, and if you keep up that good work and those crazy ideas for supplies, we'll keep on learning that. Alright, well, can I touch it?
Yeah.
Awesome!
See, this is why you should enter Kenzie's Creation Slime Giveaway. Then you could win a slime.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you guys entered the giveaway?
Hashtag giveaway squad in the comments.
Guess what? I already entered!
When the teacher's your biggest fan, be like,
Alright, well,
is recess over?
school's over.
Yay, it's time to go home!
But you like school.
But I'm waiting to go home and make another video.
Well, guess you could do that too.
I gotta make another video for you to watch.
Well, I am your biggest fan, so.
Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. And
Subscribe!
hey, how'd you find my
Turn
camera?
notifications! And like!
Hashtag giveaway squad! If you want to win a slime, then comment down below also which slime you would want if you want. That is it for today's video. I love you all so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys! Say bye, guys! Set it up like...
Can I get in the sky? Yeah, right. How do you get in the sky? You're kidding. No, what way is it? Ow! It got stuck in my hair. What is happening?
Sometimes the best times like fine time to create.
Wait, weren't we supposed to be making a video? So this is the school measuring thingy. Watch us go! Watch us go!
Watch us go!